Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube automation using AI. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the demands of content creation, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through a step-by-step guide that will empower you to streamline your video production process. You'll learn how to leverage AI tools to generate ideas, create scripts, and even edit videos, all while saving you precious time and effort. The significance of AI in this realm cannot be overstated. It enhances both productivity and creativity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience. Imagine having more time to engage with your viewers while still producing high-quality content consistently. By automating repetitive tasks, you can unlock your channel's full potential, leading to increased views, subscribers, and overall growth. So, let's get started on transforming your YouTube journey with the power of automation. YouTube automation refers to the use of technology, particularly AI tools, to streamline and enhance the content creation process on the platform. Essentially, it involves automating repetitive tasks that can consume valuable time and energy, allowing creators to focus on more strategic aspects of their channels. Various tasks can be automated, including video editing, thumbnail creation, script writing, and even social media promotion. By utilizing AI-driven tools, creators can efficiently manage these processes, ensuring a consistent output of high-quality content. The advantages of using automation for content creators are significant. Not only does it save time, but it also reduces the likelihood of burnout, enabling creators to maintain their passion for producing videos. Additionally, automation can lead to improved consistency in posting schedules, which is crucial for audience engagement and growth. Embracing YouTube automation can ultimately transform how creators approach their channels, making the journey more enjoyable and productive. Selecting the right AI tools for YouTube automation can significantly enhance your content creation process. There are several popular AI tools available that cater to various aspects of video production. For video creation, tools like Lumen 5 and InVideo are excellent for transforming text into engaging videos. For editing, consider using Descript or Adobe Premiere Pro with AI features, which streamline the editing process. For optimization, vidIQ and TubeBuddy can help you analyze your content and improve your search engine optimization strategies. When choosing an AI tool, look for features such as user-friendliness, integration capabilities, and specific functionalities that align with your needs. For instance, if you prioritize video editing, focus on tools that offer advanced editing features and templates. If your goal is to enhance search engine optimization, prioritize tools that provide keyword research and analytics. By matching the right tools to your content creation needs, you can maximize efficiency and elevate your YouTube channel's performance. Using AI to generate engaging video scripts and ideas can revolutionize your content creation process. First, AI tools can assist in brainstorming video topics by analyzing trending subjects and audience interests. Platforms like Answer the Public or BuzzSumo can provide insights into what viewers are searching for, helping you identify relevant themes for your channel. Once you have your topics, AI can streamline the script writing process. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you create structured outlines and even draft full scripts based on your chosen ideas. These tools can suggest engaging hooks, key points, and calls to action, making your content more compelling. However, while AI is a powerful ally, it's crucial to maintain a personal touch in your content. Infusing your unique voice, experiences, and insights into the AI-generated material ensures authenticity and connection with your audience. Balancing AI efficiency with your personal flair will lead to truly engaging and relatable videos. AI-powered video editing tools have transformed the way creators approach the editing process. Software like Adobe Premiere Pro with Sensei, Magisto, and Filmora utilize artificial intelligence to automate various editing tasks, such as cutting, color correction, and audio enhancement. These tools analyze your footage and apply edits based on predefined styles or user preferences, significantly reducing the time spent on manual editing. To streamline the editing process, start by uploading your raw footage to an AI tool that offers automated features. Many of these platforms allow you to set parameters, such as desired length and style, enabling the software to generate a polished video quickly. To enhance video quality while using automated editing, consider reviewing the AI-generated edits and making manual adjustments where necessary. Pay attention to transitions, pacing, and audio levels to ensure a professional finish. By combining automation with your creative input, you can achieve high-quality videos efficiently. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for achieving success on YouTube, as it directly impacts your video's visibility and discoverability. With millions of videos uploaded daily, optimizing your content ensures that it reaches the right audience. AI can significantly enhance your SEO efforts by assisting in keyword research and tagging. Tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy analyze trending keywords and suggest relevant tags based on your content, helping you target the right search terms. This data-driven approach allows you to align your videos with what viewers are actively searching for. When it comes to creating compelling titles and descriptions, AI can be a game changer. Using tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, you can generate attention-grabbing titles that incorporate your chosen keywords. Additionally, these tools can help craft engaging descriptions that provide context and encourage viewers to click. By leveraging AI for search engine optimization, SEO, you can improve your video's chances of ranking higher and attracting a larger audience. Automating the scheduling and publishing of your videos can significantly enhance your content strategy. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and YouTube's own scheduling feature allow you to set specific dates and times for your video uploads, ensuring that your content goes live even when you're not available. This automation helps maintain a consistent publishing schedule, which is vital for audience growth and engagement. By combining automated scheduling with strategic timing, you can optimize your content's reach and foster a loyal audience. Using AI to analyze video performance and audience engagement is essential for refining your content strategy. Understanding how your videos are performing allows you to make informed decisions that can enhance viewer satisfaction and retention. AI tools like Google Analytics, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy provide valuable insights into viewer behavior, including watch time, click-through rates, and audience demographics. These analytics help you identify which content resonates most with your audience and which areas need improvement. Once you have gathered data, use it to inform your future video content. For instance, if you notice that certain topics generate higher engagement, consider creating more videos around those themes. Additionally, pay attention to viewer feedback and comments to understand their preferences better. By leveraging AI-driven analytics, you can continuously adapt and improve your content, ensuring that it meets the evolving needs of your audience while driving growth for your channel. In this video, we explored the essential steps for automating your YouTube content using AI, from brainstorming video ideas to optimizing your uploads for SEO. We discussed how AI tools can assist in generating engaging scripts, streamlining video editing, and automating the scheduling and publishing process. By leveraging these technologies, you can significantly increase your efficiency and unleash your creativity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow creators. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.